Hey YouTube subscribers, it's Kris again with another unboxing video. I just received in the mail this set of paintbrushes, watercolor brushes. Let's open it up. Alrighty, this is a set of 6 brushes. They are synthetic plus squirrel hair brushes, so it's a combination of real and synthetic hair. There's 6 brushes in the set. We'll take a look in a minute, but let's see this nice case that it comes in. This is a wool case, and it's zippered around the outside here, and the brand name OOKU. I think I'm saying that right. I'm not totally sure, but I see a lot of their products online, and I heard good reviews, so I thought I would give it a try. This is the first time I've purchased their stuff. Yeah, so this is a wool case, and there's some advantages to that. It's breathable, it's made out of natural fibers, and it looks nice. Let's open it up and take a look. All right, first look of my 6-set paintbrush, watercolor paintbrush set. Let's take a look first at the Quill brushes in this set. These are known as Quill brushes, and they come with a piece of tubing, plastic tubing around them to protect the bristles. And a lot of people get confused when they first look at Quill brushes because they see this plastic sheathing here and think they need to remove that or something. That is not the case. This is part of the brush. Quill brushes come with wood handles and then brass, usually brass, I'm not sure if this is brass or not, wire that attaches the ferrule to the brush handle and covers up the first part of the barrel of the brush, the belly of the brush here, where the brush attaches to the handle. And I've never had Quill brushes before, so this is my very first time with this kind of brush. I'm pretty excited about it because these types of brushes are known to hold lots of water, and the reason for that here is going to be because of this really large belly for the brush. Again, this part of the brush here where it's closest to the handle is where you're going to really store most of your water as you paint. The water soaks up into the brush bristles, and the more water the better. It allows you to have to re-wet your brushes less often if the brushes are holding water. And wow, look at this really big one. This is awesome. Let me move this aside so we can look at these 4 brushes a little bit better. These are, you have a number 1, a number 2, a number 4, and a number 6 numbered Quill brush. Now, Quill brushes have different numbering systems than other brushes. If you had a 1 in a standard round brush, it would be much smaller than this, okay? So the numbering system is different. You just need to become aware of that. And my first reaction to these, I love the shorter handle, which is typical in watercolor brushes. Again, I love the size of the brush. They seem to have some sizing in the bristles just to protect them during shipment, but I'm sure the first time I get them wet, that'll go away. And I'm gonna do another video where I show these in action, so stay tuned for that. But this is just an unboxing and a first look at these new brushes by OOKU. Wow, I'm excited to use them. In addition to the 4 Quill brushes, this set also includes these 2 flat brushes. Let's take them out. Here are the 2 flat brushes in the set. Let's go ahead and open those up. We see they're also protected with plastic sleeves. That's a really nice feature. And wow, nice and soft. Now, a little confused about what these brushes are made of because of the information on the website wasn't super clear. It says in one place they're made of wool, which is what I'm assuming they're made of. They're very soft. They have this white color, and there are wool watercolor brushes. So that is what I'm thinking this is. Another place on their advertising, however, they call them wave, W-A-V-E, wave brushes. And I don't know if that's a misspelling or what exactly they're talking about there. I've not heard of that term before. I might be wrong. If you know the answer to that, please make a comment below and let me know. If you have wool brushes, however, and like them and use them, let me know if that's exactly what these are, if you're aware. So these are 2 flat brushes, great for big washes, skies, backgrounds, things like that, where you want to achieve a beautiful blend maybe of colors, or just put down a lot of paint on the paper. Number 2 and a number 5 size. The number 2 here is about 3/4 of an inch. Again, using imperial or US based measurement, which is what I use. About 3/4 of an inch across is what they measure it as officially on their website. And then this one about 1.5 inches wide. And really nice looking brushes. Again, a little different kind of handle, more of a flat handle, which I'm excited to use. I don't have any brushes like that. And a nice brass ferrule here for holding that. Again, I've heard really good reviews about this, so I'm excited to actually use it and see how it works. Here are the brushes lined up with a ruler, just so you can take a look at the relative size. In inches again, overall length of the entire brush is somewhere between 8 and 9 inches. And that's a great size for watercolor use. I like a short brush handle like this. So that's my first look and unboxing of the OOKU Quill brush set of 6 brushes. I'm going to put a link to the Amazon listing if you'd like to take a look at it for yourself. These cost around $56 for me at the time of purchase. That might seem a bit expensive to you, but as I've looked around at other brush purchases, I'm finding that 6 brushes for less than $60, that's less than $10 a brush, and also for this type of brush, quill brushes and some nice flat brushes. I think that's very affordable. And again, there is some real hair in these bristles, so this is not all synthetic. Synthetic brushes are less expensive, of course. And so I'm real excited to give it a try, and I think it's a reasonable price. And so if you're just looking to invest in some new brushes and don't want to break the bank, then you might want to check these out. Again, there'll be a link in the description below. If you found this unboxing video helpful as you make your purchasing decisions, please like the video so others will find it. And you might want to consider subscribing to my channel. I produce about 1 video a week, sometimes more, and I'm trying to just share my journey in watercolor with other people so they can learn from what I've learned. And I hope you find it helpful. And thanks for visiting today, and have a great day.